What is going on, guys? As you can see, it is extremely bright where I am standing right now, and that is because I am installing hex lights. And we are about to get the garage decked out. We get it along the sides, come across over here, right where the edges, and then come right along here. And then, if I'm feeling fancy, I might put some anchors in the wall, throw some on the wall, but we shall see. Stay tuned for the full thing. I am not sure if I took a before video. I'm really hoping so, but if not, here's the before with just 2 of these hex lights up. And it looks immaculate. The lighting on the car looks great. We're gonna get the other 5 installed because it just came in. We're gonna install the other 5. Let's see how it looks. Try to get it down another angle. All right. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's get to it. So I am doing this by myself, but as you can see, I'm kind of letting it hang as I go. But it's already almost half my garage, but I love how lit up it is. It's honestly great. I can't wait to see how it looks when the car's underneath right here and I can have all the hex lights just right over it. It'd be dope. I got a handful out of these. I'm just going as I go. I am super excited. Or no, here's all wild. I just got fresh off work and I saw this package. I was like, oh, so staying busy. As you can see, it's just so much room for activities now. Looking at but it's awesome. Not gonna lie, like just seeing how lit up in here on this half. Like over here, it's all nice and happy, and then over here, it's all dark and depressed. But yeah, I'm so far loving how this turned out. I'm doing this by myself, so it's kind of a leaving it hang, put a few screws in, and yeah. This is pretty cool though. This is definitely changing the appearance of my garage. Hopefully I can use everything here and just fill up the rest. I might just do like a straight line in the back or something, but we'll see. However it works out, but as you can tell, I'm kind of excited, but I also want to get done because I had to start my car up. I'm sure the neighbors probably didn't like that. It is only 9 o'clock, so quiet time's 10, so they can't say anything. But yeah, try to get this done and show the end results. All right, so as you can see, I got it all set up. I'll show you the little situation I ran into. You can see it right there. I was so far committed, and you know what? Screw it. My garage, don't care. Maybe I'll end up taking that bottom bar out, but see how dark it is. Voila. Dude, it's so lit up in here. It's actually insane. These are totally worth it. Straight off Amazon, too. Yeah, I'll probably end up taking this one out right here and then maybe run some other direction. We'll see. You know what? I'm going to give it a whirl right now. And then we'll see how this looks. But as you can see how like lit up it is. It's beautiful. But yeah, I'm going to try something here real quick and see how it turns out. Well, everyone, I was able to make it work. Actually, I had to just undo a screw under this, tucked it underneath, and it honestly fits just perfect. But as you can see, yeah, we're situated, baby. We're situated. This is awesome. Can't wait to see the car get pulled in here. Oh, that's so dope. I have 2 spares. I kind of want to just like add one more there, and then yeah. See, this is like an addiction. Once you start, you just want to keep going. But definitely do one right here and then one right there. So order like another 2-pack probably, and then just will be a column of 3 all the way down. Dude, this is awesome. All right, let me stop playing around and let me pull the car in. See how it goes. We'll see how she looks. Let's see how she looks once I pull her in here. My neighbors are gonna hate that. Oh, that is something. But yeah, as you can see. Oh, Lord have mercy. Ah, my 0.5 doesn't work right now on my camera, so pardon me with that. But that just looks nice and bright in here. Come on now. That is awesome. Hood's messed up. It's getting painted. We're going to paint match it, so it don't matter anyway. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Plain, simple, short. I just want to do a garage update. That's a perk. Being a homeowner. That is one thing. You can do what you want and don't have to worry about anything or what anyone says. So, besides your neighbors, when you got a loud car like this bad boy right here, you know. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys stay tuned. You guys have a great night. Stay safe.